Or you can consider some of the costs involved in maintaining huge establishments, like the Böblingen Ordnance Maintenance Plant. Over 1 million square feet of shop space affords ample room for more than 1,200 workers. Ordnance, after all, is the largest technical service in the armed forces and spends nearly half of every Army dollar. Vehicle rebuilding is the specialty at Böblingen, and a nice saving to the American taxpayer. Item: a Jeep can be rebuilt for a total cost of $625 against a new vehicle cost of $2,300. There is still another way to tell the ordinance